Divide 524 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down these 2 and 5 times 0 mean 0. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 4 and it is 24. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So now it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 524 divided by 5 is 104.8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.